All right, this little tutorial is going to show you how to calculate what your final grade would be based on what you get on the exam. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to come on to this top left corner and put in what your actual current grade is. So let's say that my grade is an 88.76 right now. All right, you should put as much information as you can here as possible. If you're not sure where your grade is rounded from 2 decimal points, you may want to ask your teacher just so that you have the most accurate representation. For the weight, you're going to put in 85 because 85% of your grade is already represented. All you're missing is the final exam, which is 15% of your overall grade, and that automatically populates. Let's say that my target grade, I ultimately want to get an A, and so for this one, you're going to put in an 89.5 because remember that Synergy will automatically round you up at half-point rounding. Okay, so that's all you need. Then you're going to hit calculate. And so if I want to take my 88.76 to an 89.5 in order to get my A, I would need a 93.69 on the final exam. Basically a 94, I'd have to make an A, okay? So that's how that works. Let's say you have, a 72, okay? And you want to make your target grade a C. So you want a 73.5. 73.5 because a C is a 74, okay, and that will automatically round up to 74 in Synergy. All right, you would have to make an 82 on the final exam. All right, so hopefully that's clear how to calculate your grade. Basically, you just put in exactly what your current grade is, make sure the weight is at 85%, put in your target grade, okay, so for example, if you wanted a B in the class, you would put in 79.5, okay. Like this person, if they have a 72 and they want to be, their final exam grade would have to be a 122. So obviously that is not even a possibility mathematically to get that grade. All right, hope that helped.